not going to fly any further along this ridge. My guess is that there could well be some rotors ahead. That's coming off that crag just down below there. Therefore I'm going to turn around just in case it's been taken out by rotors. Okay, I'm right in the lift band at the moment, beeping on upwards just nicely. Some spectacular views down that way towards the island of Anglesey. I can see Holyhead Mountain in the distance, and just behind me is Snowdonia. It's always dangerous above a deep lake like this, especially when you have a strong headwind. Therefore, I'm going to burn off my height by staying as closely as possible to that shoreline.